Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how we can connect Workato with Hubspot. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Hubspot and go to right top to Marketplace and click here App Marketplace. When you're going to be here, you're going to see all categories here, and you just want to write an app name Workato. Or what you can do, let me show you. Yep, Workato. Now you see the free reviews, and even the reviews what do you like? It only takes hours to make integrations, just like you do a new workflow in Hubspot. And so you see that people are satisfied with it. Now, what you want to do is to simply connect application, and this is pretty much how you do it. You connect it with Workato, you need to set it up, and it really depends what you actually need. This is like the short version of how we can actually do it. But this is the way. So if you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. But making like 20 minutes video, if you want me to, I can do it. And I can do a 20 minutes tutorial, but this is the simple way how you can actually connect it with Workato. Then you just set it up as much as you want and what do you actually need to do with it. So yeah. Thank you, have a great day, and goodbye.